In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the camera flash transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to move your playhead to the position where you want the camera flash transition effect to begin. For me, I want it to happen at this exact position. So I'm going to select this clip and hold down W to make a cut at that position. And I want it to transition into this second video to make it look as if he took the picture and then we switched into this video over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over to your project panel and select this new item and select adjustment layer and hit OK and import this adjustment layer onto your timeline over here. Now select the adjustment layer and come over to the effects tab and search for the Pro Camp effect, and you'll find it under video effects, adjust and Pro Camp. Drag it onto your adjustment layer. Now move your playhead in between these both clips over here and come over to effects control and toggle on the stopwatch next to brightness and increase the value for brightness to 100 and hit enter and hold down shift and move the left arrow key 2 times and hit this reset parameter over here and hold down shift and hold the right arrow key 4 times and select this reset parameter once more, and you'll notice that we've created 3 keyframes over here. Now if you go back to the beginning and hit play, you will see this flash transition effect that we have created over here. And that's it guys on how to create this flash transition effect in Premiere Pro.